The next section I like to talk about is the comms control or communications control. This is accessed by the comms control button. What this allows me to do is brings up a page so that I can actually have talkback, listen mics, and an oscillator slate section. We'll talk about talkback first. Talkbacks, there are two talkback mics. That allows me to basically put a mic on the console so that I can talk to anybody I want to on any of the monitor channels. I can do this by setting a level on the talkback and also just by pressing on any of the buttons here and talking back on those monitors. This is great for a studio application if you need to talk to talent that are out in the studio. You can actually just talk on that, press it because you have a microphone up on your console feed, you're ready to go. The next section on that page are the listen mics. Now listen mics generally aren't used a lot, but what you can do is actually set a mic somewhere in the studio, and if you had it turned on, you could actually listen to all the conversation that was going on. Just you would hear it. It wouldn't go out on air or anything like that. You'd be the only person to be able to hear it, but if somebody was looking for somebody else or someone was calling for a direction or whatever, you could hear that through that listen mic. The last section in comms control that I want to talk about is the oscillator slate section. This is where I can get a tone out of the console in order for bars and tones and things like that. So I would select my OSC SLT button, that stands for oscillator slate. I have my oscillator on. I can decide what kind of tone I want to send it from 100 Hertz to 10K. I can set a specific level. I can also do a sweep. I can send it to all of my mix minus feeds or my IFB feeds, all of my mix buses, all of my aux buses, or everybody. It also allows me to set a slate level